There's no telling what we're gonna find here, okay? At Ken Cycle Repair, I know there's more than 100 motorcycles. We have uncovered a true gem. Hundreds of finally restored vintage motorcycles. Oh yeah, 2 strokes.
G2, total restoration. CB 750.
This is a 1974 S3 400, 2-stroke triple, 1972 Kawasaki H1 500. Gotta love the old 2-strokes.
All original, one owner.
1975 H1 500. What all have you done to this one, Ken?
No, that one has the cylinders were rebored, carburetors were done. We're re-chrome plated. The hardest stuff to find would be a good gas tank.
What have you done to this motorcycle?
Detailed it. Everything's just been re-detailed.
Those the CR carburetors that are super valuable?
Yes.
What's the value on those?
Oh, about $3,000.
$3,000. Did you ever think those carburetors would be worth that much?
No. Yep. And needed the serial numbers off the tires so they could verify when somebody restored one if they were the correct tires for the unit, for a bicycle.
Absolutely beautiful. And then we have the 1985 Honda, the 87 Honda over here. You've got quite a few Hondas in your collection.
That's a 1-year-old one.
And man, this thing's in outstanding condition. Tell me about this one, Ken.
That's, we did a total restoration last year on that bike. I did it because it's Suzuki's first year. They made a 1000cc bike.
1967 Yamaha YL1 twin jet 100. Ken, this thing is spotless.
Electric start. And out of 100 points, we got 99.5. They took a 1/4 point off for too shiny a paint and a 1/4 point off for too shiny a wheel.
What did $1,570 buy you back then?
5 new motorcycles.
Oh my God.
2 of the 80s, 2 of the 100s, and a 180. But if you could have a block in there with rubbers, seals and stuff in it, it won't even affect the seals. But it is definitely something you need to restore before you polish motorcycle parts. Okay, now they were blasted, zinc plated, and then painted. Those nut and adjuster nut and bolt, and like I said, I can get the whole bike done for like $250.
Quick, and let's just take a peek. This is, what would you call this part? This is just repair, right? Wow.
Yes, this is customer service. Dealers actually send me a lot of work.
Wow.
Because it takes too much time to do one.
Fine, wait till you see this. Ken, I think it's safe to say you got a couple in this room. Oh my gosh, what are we looking at?
And rebuild it, and it's actually time for the engine to be rebuilt.
When's the last time you took it to California? What year was it?
Oh my God, that has to be 20 years. CB 350 Honda, 1973. That's a G model with the disc brake. Very rare, 90cc with the, it's going to have the leg shields on it, but I made 72 spoke wheels for it to modernize it.
Gorgeous. Whoa.
It's part of their collection.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, can you put a number on how many disassembled motorcycles we probably have here? Look at this row of tanks.
To eBay, a gentleman that does an eBay store. This whole row here, and this whole row here is all carburetors. It's all carburetors.
Wow.
The new outside ones, but not the new inside. Might be 1 or 2 750 parts.
Here's the burning question that everybody watching, I'm sure, wants to know through their smartphone, through their television. Is this for sale?
Everything's for sale.
Everything is for sale. Ken, what's the best way for somebody to get a hold of you if they're looking for something?
They could email me at kmillersr@gmail.com.
Excellent. Mention Cycle Drag. Maybe you'll get a couple bucks off. You never know.
Yes. Are going to have the stampings on the outside instead of in the middle here by the valve stem hole. Feel how smooth that is.
I'm afraid to touch it. Are you sure?
You don't even feel a difference in it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is super, super rare.
So not just motorcycles, hot rods too. Tell me about this gorgeous piece of history.
1933 Ford 3-window coupe.
You finally restored, and you say this one's headed for Canada?
Yes.
All right, Ken, this is going to be your daily driver. Give me a tour of this amazing motorcycle. What are we looking at here?
That's a 1-year 1970 YDS 6 and it's a Catalina.
I love it. RMC.
Yes.
Do you watch Cycle Drag?
Yes, I do.
Thank you so much.
Does this have a sticky back?
It sure does.